कब इनका खाना खत्म होगा, कब हम घर पहुंचेंगे. किसी को पतला देखोगे, लड़की पतली है तो ठीक है. If a guy is thin, अरे इतना पतला हो गया, अरे इतना पतला हो गया, अरे you have a stomach which is this big. Rolls and I don't know, ये restaurant से ये और वो restaurant से वो. I wait for a day genuinely when I'm alone at home. Keto, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. All I do, so in between, you know, I started going to these dietitians and smoothies and raspberry smoothies and all that. I just feel like you need to have fruits and food that is produced in your country. You can't have blueberries from nature's basket. Had protein shakes. मैं ऐसा एक phase आता है ना.
You want to try?
एक महीना try करते हो, मेरे को उल्टी जैसा एक तो taste आता है वो protein shake का. So I've just left it very simple. I go for my workout, empty stomach, which is the best way to work out, I feel, because you burn more fat. Poha, upma, uttapam.
So you don't go like oats and granola and all of.
And it's just that, yeah, that's true. मेरे घर में बहुत, यार I've realized मैं ना शादी के बाद बहुत cooking करती थी. I was like, I'll make gnocchis and I used to make pastas and like just trying different things. I've realized when you want to eat good food, you want to cheat, just go out and eat. For our friends when we are traveling, like to Lonavala and all, because they all like to that. That's it. Otherwise, standard is dal, chawal, brown rice for lunch. Order in तो कभी नहीं होता हमारे घर पे. So we very rarely call for food from outside. In these 4 years that I've been married, we must have called for food just for the family maybe 4 times in these 4 years. Oh, so we had like a lot of guests coming over. And they were like, oh, we are healthy. So they were like, we don't want to eat this and ये नहीं खाना वो नहीं खाना. तो हम लोग कुछ healthy pasta लेकर आए थे, some gluten-free pasta.
Okay.
तो इतने गंदे, I think by the end of it, that pasta looked like some curry. Everything had just like become soggy, and then we had served it, and the guy was like, change करके gym जाओ. There have been zillion times when आज मैं बड़ी थक गई हूँ and my mom-in-law say, हाँ, you know how mothers are, अरे हाँ बेटा जाने आराम कर ले तू वैसे भी बहुत करती है. So then if I reach, then I'll do an awesome workout and come back. You need to just give that 1 month, I feel. Like start with rice a week, that's what I did. And then I think cutlet also. I'm like that. अरे जब लोगों को दिखती है अरे ये ऐसे मुझे भी ये करना. I feel happy जब मेरे को लगता है that okay, there's an improvement in my body and I know I've gone stronger.
Won't you cheat on fitness also? Like you know कि 20 lunches.
So I'm known as this irritating buddy in the gym because पूरा खत्म हो जाएगा ना उसके बाद बोलोगे अरे चलो 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 एक और राउंड चलो एक प्लैंक कर लेते हैं. And my trainer is fab actually.
This is Evelyn Sharma. You're watching me on Pink Villa, and today I'm going to tell you what I eat in a day. I think being German Punjabi, I can eat a lot of carbs. I eat potato all the time, and I think bread, parathas, naan, all that stuff is just, I don't know, made for my body. Every morning I have a lot of healthy smoothies, so like every day I have a different smoothie and that gives me all the nutrition for the day. Usually for breakfast I have a smoothie and aloo paratha or maybe some eggs or some bread, some cereal. I believe in carbs in the morning to start your day because you need a lot of energy throughout the day. For lunch, I usually have bit of vegetables and again carbs. I love carbs and some meat. I follow a blood group diet. My blood group is O positive, so technically I'm supposed to be a hunter, so I need red meat. So yeah, I'm really blessed that way. I can eat a lot of carbs and fats. And then for dinner, I usually keep it light because I'm a really light sleeper. So if I eat too much, I can't sleep at night. So usually it's some soup and just some bread again. I am an early riser and I like to keep telling myself that because then one day it will come true. I want to be an 8 o'clock person. My favorite meal of the day is lunch because I'm usually not so hungry by breakfast. And lunch, I like to indulge like in a lot of food and then again by dinner I'm keeping it light. I don't believe in any raw food, by the way. So I only believe in cooked food, especially again for my blood group. Apparently that's much better to eat only cooked food. Favorite cuisine is Japanese, closely followed by German food though, because I love any kind of schnitzel and potato salads and anything potato really. And again, that's closely followed by Punjabi food because I love my butter chicken. I like to work out just before I have lunch. So usually around 12 o'clock noon. Thanks. My secret is inner beauty.
Hi, I'm Fatima Sana Sheikh and I'll be telling you what I eat in a day. I'm not one of those people who can eat and get away with anything. I have to watch what I eat and I do not like that about myself. I wish my body would listen to me. Morning rituals that I do for my health have bullet coffee. So it's coffee, black coffee with ghee, and you blend it and it becomes really frothy. I don't know if I do it for health or for taste because I really like the taste. Actually, it's for taste, not for my health. Yeah. Things that I eat for breakfast, usually I drink bullet coffee and malai. I have a thing for malai. Don't be grossed out. It's tasty. For lunch, I usually have roti or rice and dal and sabzi. For dinner, I have dalia, porridge with a lot of fruits. And for snacks, I have fruits. And snacks ke beech mein I have malai. I'm an early riser. I love to wake up in the morning. I love to have my bullet coffee, sit, read or listen to music. I find mornings to be the best time to work out because I'm alive. उसके बाद मैं बहुत lazy हो जाती हूँ. I don't have a set post-workout meal, so I usually have anything that I like. Healthiest alcoholic drink. I don't drink, so I don't know. I hate weight training. I love functional because it's high intensity. Cardio की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, उसी में cardio हो जाता है. Because lazy लोगों को ना जो चीज़ें जल्दी ख़त्म होती है वो अच्छी लगती है. मैं उनमें से एक हूँ. I do not measure the intake of nutrition I serve my body, but I'm very mindful of what I eat. Malai is nutritious. I used to count calories, not anymore. If I have a goal, then I count calories, but not anymore. I think it's important to eat healthy and be mindful, but you should not go crazy. Then it's damaging. I have tried, it's not crazy, but keto. Keto is supposed to be good for people who have epilepsy. I have epilepsy, so it's good for us. But it's difficult to follow because it's high on protein and very low on carbs. नहीं हो पाता यार, carbs तो चाहिए. Lifestyle changes that I have made over the years. Yes, I eat better now. Earlier I would have pani puri every day. Pani puri और pastry. तो मेरा डिनर पानी पूरी होता था और डेजर्ट पेस्ट्री और डोसा एंड दही पूरी.